Hey guys, Figurecraft here. We're back with part 2. Next up is the air vent. So, this big air vent right here that I painted. And that's going to go in the middle hole right in between the loading hatches. So, let me just push this in. Just want me to be a little bit stubborn right now. I think because we got some Gorilla Wood Glue in the hole. Alright. I got it in. You can see there. There's the air intake in. Next we got to put in the fair lead rollers. Now I'll show you this. With the pack that you receive the first time, they send you white fair lead rollers. These are the incorrect color. They send you white fair lead rollers. Those are the incorrect color. When you get to shipment 21, unless you're doing it by Agora Models, will you receive it in pack 3. But if you're on the Hatcher and you receive issue 21, you'll get replacements for those. And they will be in samurai sword or gunmetal color. Those are the replacements that they'll send you. And if you want a demonstration of what color they really are, let me get my picture pulled up here and I'll show you. Okay. You can see right there on my picture, they are the gunmetal samurai sword color. So, those are right. And we got to insert these into these little holes right near this thing, but they go in a certain way. So let me look at these shapes. Okay. So you got a circle. You got a circle, and you got like almost like a key shape, like you would see in a keyhole. It looks almost like a keyhole. And if you look at the bottom of these, I will try my best to show this to you. You can see there it looks like a key in a way. So that's the way they insert. So let me get this up here so I can see what I'm doing. And then I'll show you what I got after I get it in. They want to be a little bit stubborn. Okay, I got one in. They're not really in there good and secure. You might want to glue them in place, but I'm not going to glue mine because I'm going to wait and see if the Model Mods company is going to make any replacement parts for these. So I'm not gluing anything on my model until I see what all parts Model Mods makes. Because I've only got one chance at building this Titanic ship. Because I'm putting so much money into this thing. I want to take my time with it and see what comes out. So if you go ahead and you glue it, you won't be able to do that. Okay. There we go. Those two things are in there now. The fair lead rollers. Now our next thing to get in is the 2 winches. Once again, they send you in the pack white winches. These are the incorrect color, and when you receive your replacement parts in issue 21, they'll send them in the silver gunmetal color. But once again, that would be the incorrect color. They have to be green. So you can see here green. And when you go up to this Titanic right here, you can see they're green. So we're going to put these two green ones in. And those are the only two parts that they gotten wrong. So they face that way. Okay, so they're going to go right here in these 4 holes. And they're going to face towards the loading hatch. So make sure I get it down. Like that, there's one. And then the last one. Let me get this over here with me so I can see what I'm doing. I'm working right now trying to press it in place. It wants to be stubborn. And stubbornness is not a good thing. Okay. There we go. Let me make sure this is focused. And there you can see we have the 2 green winches in. So that's those in. Next up, we have to put these 2 little air vents in place. And these things are tiny. So, those 2 little things right there, 2 little air vents. And those things are they're right here behind the crane. You can see it right there. And it's half orange and half white. It's right there behind that crane. So those 2 are going to go in. And I got to figure out the holes for these. Okay. So this one is going to go in this hole right here. Just like that. And then the other one's going to go in that hole right there. Just like that. And then our last piece that we're going to pop in are those 2 little running boards. These things. And they go in a certain way, big peg, small peg, so we'll find the way that goes. Big peg, small peg. And hope that these ain't a devil to get in. Let's see here. I'll just get it started. Yeah, I think we're going to have problems out of that. Let me try the other side. Big peg, small peg. Basically, they're going to go in like that. I got to snap them in place now. And we're getting ready to run out of room again. So, there'll probably be a 3rd video to this. Sorry. I got one in. Yeah, there'll be a 3rd part.